This is the REALME Buds Air 2 Neo, the successor to the REALME Buds Air without the stem and comes with ANC. So at only $25, how does it fare? Let's find out. Hi everyone, this is Johnny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel mainly focuses on reviewing budget and affordable wireless earbuds and help you to decide before you hit that buy button. Of course, if you like such content, it would be so amazing if you could actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, share my videos with your friends who would be interested as well. So without further ado, let's get into the 3 things I like and dislike about the Air 2 Neo. So right off the bat, the first thing which I actually like, it's actually the physical design of the case and the earbuds. So they are oval in shape, they are very lightweight, and they are actually extremely comfortable to wear. Of course, thanks to the silicone seal, which are thicker. And recently, I actually met one of my friends who actually rides a motorbike, and they actually own one of this pair. He actually shared that the Air 2 Neo, it's probably the only pair of wireless earbuds whereby he can actually wear them comfortably under his motorbike helmet and even for sleep too. So this is something to take note for those of you, some of my viewers here who are actually considering to get a pair of wireless earbuds whereby you can actually wear them under your helmet or under your motorbike helmet and even for sleep. You can actually consider the REALME Buds Air 2 Neo. Now the second thing I like about the Air 2 Neo is actually the sound quality. Now on my own testing, the overall sound is inoffensive and smooth. There's a thump to the bass, but it doesn't punch a lot. It's also not very boomy, but it's basic and it's powerful enough for most genre like dance, pop, and hip hop. And watching movies on iPhone and my Android phones with this pair are fine. There are no delays. For gaming, I would say the sound latency is pretty impressive at this price point. And the third thing which I like about this pair of earbuds is the noise cancellation feature. Now by default, the ANC is activated the moment you put them on. Things like passing by train noise, aircon humming is greatly reduced. People chatters, keyboards, mouse clicks, they're also greatly reduced. Now all this are before you even hit the play button on your favorite playlist. The only downside is the lack of wind noise reduction. But of course, you can always switch off the ANC mode to remove the wind noise. But still, I would say that the ANC is still very impressive at this price point. Now with all the favorites out of the way, let's talk about the first thing I dislike about this pair of earbuds, and that is phone calls. For those of you who are joining me for the very first time, if you didn't know, I actually covered this in my very first video whereby I was talking about my very first impression after using it for 24 hours. You can try to check the link here, check out that video before you come back to this video again. So it's kind of odd that I'm not able to actually use the built-in microphone for regular phone calls, but I can actually use it to record like voice memos, WhatsApp audios, Zooms and webinars and etc. Now other than that, it's fine if you use it indoors, but once you move outdoors, my voice will become very soft, and in noisy places, there is actually a lot of disturbance. Now the second thing I dislike about this pair of earbuds are actually the ANC controls. And again, I actually covered this in the video whereby I was talking about my first impression. You can go back to the video here, check it out, and then come back to this again. So it's kind of odd whereby I need to press the touch control on both earbuds at the same time. I need to press and hold for about 2 seconds to toggle between the ANC mode. And this is probably the very first pair of ANC wireless earbuds whereby the triggering is actually set in this way.
通透模式 降噪模式
Personally, I find it troublesome and weird, but I guess for some people who just want things to be set that way, they would be fine not to touch it once the ANC is on. Now, the third thing I don't really like is actually the lack of app support for iPhone users. So this is in fact a huge bummer for me. I would say for a lot of iPhone users out there who are actually considering the REALME Air 2 Neo, because I feel that I'm actually completely stripped off from a host of amazing, functions and features in the REALME Link app, which is only made exclusively available to Android phone users. So with the 3 things I like and I dislike about the Air 2 Neo out of the way, let's focus on the more common stuff like the battery life. So on my own testing, this earbuds, they lasted around 4.5 hours on music at 100% volume and around 5.5 hours at 50% volume, and both were with ANC on. So I'm pretty sure you'll get more mileage if you switch off the ANC. Talk time was around 4 hours on Zoom and webinars. Unfortunately, I was not able to actually use this to actually test the battery life on regular phone calls. If you need a quick boost, a 10-minute quick recharge in the case will give you a roughly around 2.5 hours of music playback, and even though it actually lacks wireless Qi charging, you can actually reduce the case via USB-C cable, which I feel that at this price point, I'm perfectly fine that it actually doesn't have wireless Qi charging. Are these the ultimate AirPods Pro killer? Should you get the REALME Buds Air 2 Neo, or probably consider something else? Well, for bikers and for people who are looking for a pair of wireless earbuds which you can actually wear under the helmet or wear to sleep, these are definitely worth considering since they're only like $25. And for the rest, if you don't mind the fact that it lacks the iPhone app support, it doesn't have wireless Qi charging, and don't use earbuds for phone calls, I would say that this is one of the best ultra budget ANC wireless earbud you can get in the market right now. And there you have it. This is actually my personal review of the REALME Buds Air 2 Neo ANC wireless earbuds. I hope my sharing has helped you. If it did, please smash the like button over here. And most importantly, remember to subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends who would find this content helpful for them. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!